Top of the morning, folks. I decided to give people an invite to my workouts. I had a lot of people reach out and just compliment or commend me on what I'm doing as a workout or ask. So, what I typically do is I wake up 5 a.m., 6 a.m., and I hit the gym. My first workout is cardio. I do about 15 to 20 minutes of cardio. Then jump to dumbbells, shrugs, curls, dumbbell presses, split workouts. You guys will see. I can put it in the description, but you guys see what I'll do in the gym in the next little couple seconds. Getting a slow start this morning. I've just been pre-gaming, taking my pre-workout and all the things that I do to get my body ready. I definitely am very 420 friendly for those that know. So for those that are 420 friendly, they know that smoking before a workout is wonderful. So I spend a lot of time making sure my body is prepared and loosened up. And how I do so is by smoking. So one of my pre-games, I'm very transparent. I do my pre-workout, which is really a pre-workout like mixed stuff. And then, the rest is all, that good stuff. So just driving. I live over here in North Minneapolis. Anyone knows this intersection? This is Death Row, between Murren's Liquor, horrible spot, and this is Adams Tobacco, which is Winter's gas station, which is a horrible spot. So if you want drugs, sex, alcohol, all that crazy stuff, this is where it is, on the intersection of Lindell and Broadway. I don't recommend coming here. All right, finally made it to the gym, people. Gonna get this workout in. One thing I'm doing right now is I am wearing a sweatsuits. So to get a lot of the water out of my body, but also to keep my body warm and build the sweat. So I run in sweats. Pretty soon I'll have one of those, those little runner things, sweatsuits like wrestlers use. But just been wearing my natural stuff. So today I'm rocking my old college sweatshirt, Iowa Central. But we're gonna get this workout in. It's not too busy. It's really early. People don't really come to the gym, and got a lot of space. So you guys be out there and be safe. Keep your distance, keep your mask on, but also stay fit in this quarantine that we're having. All right, folks. After about 20 minutes on the treadmill, I go over to dumbbells and do shoulder shrugs. And within those shoulder shrugs, I do splits alongside that as well. So you guys will see some of the daily workouts I do to stay fit, stay motivated, and sane during this quarantine. So let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. I don't have a kickstand today. Let's see. There it is. Shoulder shrugs, and then they go directly to split push-ups. So So this is what I'm trying to lose. This is from all the dirty chai lattes and vanilla white mocha, Starbucks, and quarantine. So this is what I'm trying to lose, people. And I'm trying to gain the weight. All right, folks, that's it. Done with Planet Fitness. Now back to the office. Got some emails to get accorded to. Today would be a fun day if things would have went accordingly to plan. Today I'm supposed to be flying out to Atlanta, and I bought the tickets, and then last minute my sister decides to tell me on Thursday of last week, today's now Wednesday, hey, do you mind if switching everything to Tennessee? And I'm like, what do you mean switching things to Tennessee? We've had this plan to go to Atlanta for Christmas all year, et cetera, et cetera. And so I'm just going to take an L and be one of those passengers that name gets called but never shows up to take their seat. So I'm going to decide to do Christmas a little bit different this year. Obviously, we have quarantine and whatnot, but just going to kick it and be alone and just make some money with all these side hustles. I don't know. I mean, Christmas without the fam is Christmas with the cat. So, but I'm gonna get to this car ride back to the office and see you guys as we continue to go throughout the day. Hey everyone, it's your boy Denarius. We're having a crazy snowstorm right now here in Minneapolis, and as most people buckle up and get their asses inside, entrepreneurs who are on these side apps are out making money. So this is actually the perfect time to make money when it is this snowy. So right now I'm out doing some DoorDash. I'm scheduled to do some Amazon delivery later tonight from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. And if I showed you how messy it is outside right now, you'd be like, you are crazy. Well, I'm an extrovert and I can stay inside and do nothing, or I can go outside and make some money. So you tell me what's a better option for my mental stability. So outside of that, people, I hope everyone stays safe, stays blessed, and enjoys this snowy day we're having. Ways that I get past all the drivers, I trust my driving, I trust my car, and I just zoom past the people on the side note, because there's no rules when you don't have rules on the road. There's no lines, so you just drive you don't drive crazy, but you drive in control. So I know there's a lot of people who don't know how to drive in the winter. I ended up getting my license in the winter, doing my testing in the winter, and all that fun stuff. So driving in the winter in the storm is like home. Do I like snow? Hell no. But is it going to keep me off the road and make some money and get food and get what I need to get? Nah. So y'all be safe, stay your asses inside, order DoorDash, tip your person, but stay off these roads if you don't know how to zoom past folks safe, comfortably, and out of harm's way. So this is another example. This is probably not even a lane, but I'm making it one. And there's a bunch of people that's driving on the road, and I just don't care because I'm moving right past them. So yeah, you guys have safe. So everyone, this is this blizzard and snowstorm. And if you're crazy enough and want to photo enough, step out. It's beautiful out here. It's fun to drive in. Right now, at rather say 5 p.m., it's very, very misty. The snow is blocking vision for folks left and right. It is hazardous. The ice is freezing over. The list goes on and on. But if you guys don't know how to drive out here, don't bring your ass out here. As simple as that. I'm having a ball. I'm running my errands. I got my champagne up. I got the champagne to pop. Y'all live your best life. This ain't nothing.
If we took a trip on the real creep tip, bitch, rule number 1 is don't repeat that shit. Rule number 2, if they all came with you, they better know exactly what the fuck they came to do.
Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Oh, accidents have been happening left and right. Clearly, I don't know what happened to this light up here, but this light thing up here is broke. Broke. I don't know, snow hit it, a truck hit it, but look at this. This is only in north. How this gonna get hit? How's the top of that gonna get hit? That's crazy.